In French Polynesia, on the island of Moorea, scientists from the French Marine Institute CRIOB are turning to special tools to restore the island's fragile coral reefs. At the heart of their work lies a simple yet powerful instrument, the KELDAN color chart. This standardized tool enables researchers to accurately monitor changes in coral pigmentation over time, offering a clear indicator of coral health. During a series of dives across Moorea's lagoon and outer reef, scientists tag both healthy and bleached coral colonies. Their goal is to understand why some corals survive environmental stress while others do not. Each coral is carefully photographed with the KELDAN color chart as a reference, establishing a visual baseline. Over time, the team monitors these tagged coral colonies, comparing color, condition, and changes, building a comprehensive database on coral resilience. Once the hardiest genotypes are identified, coral fragments are collected and transferred to underwater nurseries. These are protected environments where the fragments can grow under close observation. But before entering the nursery, each fragment is thoroughly assessed. The marine biologists analyze the coral pigmentation using the KELDAN color chart.
The color chart helps us to standardize the green, blue, and red values that we get from the coral. By doing that, we'll be able to see basically if a coral bleaches, and this technique can be applied to all the different species that we have.
They also measure size and weight, and use fluorescence imaging to detect early signs of physiological stress. These resilient young corals are then reintroduced to degraded reef areas, reinforcing Moorea's ecosystem, with individuals better equipped to withstand a warming ocean. Through innovative science and essential tools like the KELDAN color chart, this project is helping to shape the future of coral restoration with greater accuracy, efficiency, and hope. To support the work of science for reefs, visit www.science4reefs-cnrs.com.